How to access analytics in Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to access analytics in Discord. To access analytics in Discord, you could go to the server settings. So you just need to open the Discord app, and then you want to go ahead and open up the server and click on the server settings. So what you need to do is click on the server settings, click on the gear icon from the top right, and here what you have to do is you simply want to go ahead and look for these analytics section. So you just need to go ahead and click the server name, select server and slide, and then go to server and slide once again. This feature provides a data on audience demographic growth and engagement, but it only available for server with a community enabled and at least 500 members. And for your own personal data, you can request it from your user settings, but server analytics are managed through a server and slide tool itself. So you don't have a 500 engagement or a member, you'll not be able to find this section. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.